If you have just received your new debit card from Mercury Bank, activating it is the first step to start using it for your purchases and withdrawals. The activation process is simple and can be done quickly, either online or over the phone. To activate your Mercury debit card online, start by logging into your Mercury Bank account through their official website or mobile app. Once you have it logged in, navigate to the debit card section where you will find an option to activate your card. You will need to enter your card number along with some personal verification details to confirm your identity. You just follow the on-screen instructions, and with moments, your card will be ready for use. If you prefer activating your card by phone, simply call the Mercury Bank customer service number printed on the sticker, number printed on the uh, sticker attached to your new card. Follow the automated prompts or speak directly with a representative who will verify your identity and activate your card for you. Remember, your debit card may need to be activated before making any transactions, so don't delay getting it ready. Keep your PIN secure and never share it with anyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick banking tips and tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want to suggest what topic I should cover next.